Alright, in this video we're going to cover how to install your bobbin case into your rotary hook. Actually, we'll cover on even how to take it out. So you're going to take the little flip door here, pull that out, and then pull directly straight out. That's how you can take your bobbin case out. And then when you reinstall your bobbin case, I leave the door shut, a little flip door, leave it shut here, so when I press in, this post is going to click into the door latch and you'll hear it click. When it clicks, you know it's locked into position. So again, if you're holding the door and pushing it in, you don't hear that click, and there's a chance that bobbin case could pop out on you while it's trying to sew if it doesn't click and lock. So you want to make sure you hear that click. That's the proper way to install your bobbin case. Leave the door shut. Nice click. Locks it in place. It's not going anywhere.